Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel where I talk about everything related to cars and driving. In today's video, I have some exciting news for you. Do you remember the Chevrolet Malibu, the midsize sedan that has been around since 1964? Well, it turns out that it might not be going away anytime soon. In fact, there could be a new generation coming in 2025 with a possible electric option. How cool is that? If you want to know more about this rumor and see how the next-gen Malibu could look like, keep watching this video. But before we get into the details, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It really helps me out a lot. Thank you so much for your support. Alright, let's talk about the Chevrolet Malibu. This car has been one of the few sedans left in the market, as many automakers have shifted their focus to SUVs and crossovers. However, the Malibu has been facing some tough competition from rivals like the Toyota Camry, the Honda Accord, and the Hyundai Sonata. It has also been rumored that the Malibu would be discontinued in 2024 as part of GM's plan to electrify its lineup. But according to a recent report from GM Authority, there is a chance that the Malibu could survive for at least one more generation. The report claims to have an inside source stating that a new generation of the Malibu is slated for 2025, possibly riding on a modified version of its current platform. The source also suggests that the new Malibu could be manufactured at the Fairfax assembly plant in Kansas, where the current model is also built. So how could the next-gen Malibu look like? Well, we don't have any official images or sketches from GM, yet he used the FNR-XE concept as the basis for his design study, which is an electric sedan that GM unveiled last year at the GM China Tech Day 2022. The FNR-XE concept has a sleek and sporty look, with a backlit front grille and an illuminated bow tie emblem. It also has some similarities with the 6th-gen Camaro, which is another car that could go electric and get 4 doors in the future. As you can see from this rendering, the next-gen Malibu could have a very aggressive and futuristic appearance, with sharp lines and angular shapes. The headlights and taillights are also very distinctive, with LED strips and patterns. The side profile shows a coupe-like roofline and large wheels. The rear end features a spoiler and dual exhaust tips. Overall, this rendering looks very impressive and appealing, but of course, it's not an official representation of what GM might do. As for the current Malibu, there are not many changes for the 2024 model year. So what do you think of this rumor? Do you hope that the Chevrolet Malibu will get a new generation in 2025? And if so, would you prefer the gas-powered or the electric version? Let me know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I really appreciate your feedback and support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.